Imagine, if you will, our humble moon on a collision course with the sun. Sounds like a sci-fi flick, right? Let's break it down. First off, size matters. The sun is a beach ball, the moon a mere marble. The moon wouldn't even leave a scratch on the sun's surface. It's like a mosquito trying to headbutt a mountain. Now let's talk heat. The sun is a cosmic oven, capable of melting anything, including our moon. If the moon were to crash into the sun, it would vaporize instantly. Poof, just like that, it's gone. Our moon isn't just a pretty face in the night sky. It's Earth's cheerleader, helping with tides. Without it, our oceans would be in chaos. If the moon hit the sun and vanished, Earth could experience some serious climate hiccups. And what about the collision itself? If the moon somehow managed to crash into the sun, we'd witness a sky show like no other. A blinding flash of light and heat, fireworks on steroids. So what if the moon rammed into the sun? Our lunar pal wouldn't stand a chance against the sun's fiery fury, disappearing in a dazzling display of cosmic power. Remember, as thrilling as it sounds, this would be a disaster of astronomical proportions.
Well, that's all there is for this nugget. You can go on to the next fact, or ask a question of your own. Just go to Ask a Question in the navigation and we'll answer any question you have, about anything. And if you're not on our site, just go to nuggetstoKnow.com and you'll find everything there. Until next time, keep chasing your wildest dreams and uncovering new adventures.